Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if Fortnite is available on your Blackview BL6000 Pro 5G. So first of all, let's check if it's available on Google Play Store, but as we all know, Fortnite is not available to download from Google Play Store on any Android phone, but we can try it. As you can see, there's no game available. Now let's check the other app, Epic Games app, which you can download from Epic Game Store website. Now here we can see the Fortnite. Let's press get, and as you can see, sadly this device is not supported, so that means you can't play Fortnite on your Blackview BL6000 Pro 5G. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.